Welcome back to Vibe with MJ. Well, I'm back after a long wait. Dari, I'm here because of my this post. Well, everyone were asking, especially my friends and family, they were asking me how you invest in TER labbe, and many of you thought that it's not yet out labbe meva. So let me give you how it's done. If this video is related to you, please do stay with me till the end. If not, you're free to scroll. So let's get into it.
So the very first thing is you have to go to Google and search for there.bt. Well, there you have it, the future of gold ownership labbe. So just click on it. So you will be taken to this page. So this is the official Tergi page. So on a low, you see the Tergi thing. So before going on to thing Tergi, I'll just give you a gist what there is. There is a digital token zoom. So how to explain? So it's like you are owning gold. When we buy gold, we have to buy kg na else any gram na long. So instead of that, what this enables you is you can buy bit and pieces of gold. I mean gold now, and it's not physical. I mean it's stored somewhere in the world, but you can always in cash if you reach to certain extent. So that's all I understand about there. So it's a digital token. You are owning a piece of gold, and this is championed by GMC. So people are saying this is going to be the currency. I'm not sure on that. I have no information on that, but that is what there is. So with that, Anila page day. So Analo, if you see there are two so much Bhutanese small. If you are in Bhutan, I am guessing. So you need to click on a first killer, buy there for Bhutanese. Second gidi, you have to click pre-register. So pre-register international user. So this also happens to be for I think people Bhutanese residing outside Bhutan because what I heard is when you put in all your thing and they will ask you the questions and then they will contact you. If you do not have a DK bank, you have to open a DK bank. Then rest of the process are same. For the purpose of this video, residing in Bhutan. What do we call it? Bhutanese residing in Bhutan. So, so for us, what you have to first do is buy their lana. Bhutanese 7. You just click on it. It will then take you to another portal.ter.bt.login. So this from next time on, you can always use this instead of the chigi. So first time login na begola. So I'll just show you this too. Well, first time I won't create because I've already created, but I'll just show you what happens. So when you click first time login, so this everyone has this doubt. What is this key? Anything ID card in. So you just put in your ID card. So once you put ID card, what happens is you will get a send verification email. Now you might be wondering, email Jiramaji, how is my ID card linked to my thing, right? All this happens from DK Bank. DK Bank, you have to go to profile management. Profile management, Jove, you have to click on the email BH. If you have not added your email, please add. Once you add your email, what happens is you will get Anila, verification email link on your email. That email, once you click on that email and you say verify now, it gets verified. As soon as it gets verified, then you get a OTP la. Any OTP you have to enter, and as soon as you enter, then you can open la. I repeat la, because this is very important la. People are missing this out. They are getting confused. Once you have your email registered on the DK bank, you will get an email as soon as you send verification email beta. On that you will get a link. Any link na click begola. Any click beochi, it will say okay, email verified. Click the OTP. Then on that email, once you verify, you'll again get OTP. Then you have to put that OTP. If all of this process is not coming, if you have white screen, take up few of my friends from Australia saying so if that happens, you have to understand that there might be some issue. You might have to contact them. Else, as soon as you get OTP, you can then come to this page. Hani page na hebe tele when you already have to say I already have an account. So once you prove that you're not a robot, you can log in. So now here, this is a very interesting page. For me, please ignore. I have already bought this, so your first balance will be zero. So anyway, so buy and sell, everything will be zero. So how you deposit money now? you need DK bank mo la ta chi thoi ma de. Now from DK bank you have to deposit the cash la wala analo. You have to select if you're putting in thing like USD, you have to do bank transfer. But if you are Buddhist like me, the way I did, you select BTN. As soon as you select BTN, you will get account number lana, bank account number DK Gold gi. You just have to put through here la, or you can scan and you can put la, and your ID will come automatically. As soon as you put this, the money doesn't come la. Please, people are panicking when money is not being. Even I panic la. Once you put, they will take at least 24 hours. I hope they have mentioned somewhere Midhu Nagatya. So analula. So it gets deposited. So I deposited on a day, then within 24 hours on a cash this was 10,000 for me la, anidi. So once you have that, anidi, it takes at least 24 hours la, for cash to come in after you transfer. Once you transfer, as it comes in, then you can go and do buy and sell. Only after you have this. If it's zero, it will say not enough balance. Then you go buy and sell. Then here you go and buy. You can select BTNB. Then I don't have enough balance more, so I'll just show you what happens. So when I do one and when I do proceed, there is insufficient cash balance to make the payment mola, so I don't have balance mola. So what I did, I put something like 10,000 mola. So I put like how many tier I put like this la, 79 tier and so I put 79 tier. Then when I did, it worked la. Then OTP थियो. Once OTP comes, you pay, then tada, you will have your first tier la, and completed with you. So I was charged 9,936.29 for 79 numbers of tier la. So one tier ki value ana 126 ko hechinu la. I think I bought it at 125. This is refreshing like it every time it changes la. So I bought it at 125. So it goes higher and higher, and anytime you can sell la. Now if I have to sell right now, I can do sell BTN. Let's say I want to sell one there mola in BTN. Which it will come la. Value I'm getting 125.45. I'm getting the same amount. So that's how you can sell. So I've shown you how to buy, I've shown you how to sell, and then you can deposit more money if you want. You can withdraw. You can also withdraw, by the way. Let's say I want to withdraw 12 USD. So you have to fill in all the bank details. Tele bank country na Bhutan na di mitubela, so it has to be outside. You can check your transaction history here la. Cash na. So I deposited cash on. Actually, I did it on my birthday la, 12 but it got deposited on only the next day la. Sorry, here. As soon as it was deposited, I bought it la. So you can see all the details la. What type, kamchina new detail gara na thyo. And one more important thing they have requested us to do is enable two-factor authentication la. I'll be doing this next la. So that's how you buy there. Buy and sell trading at the transfer, or you can transfer also la. You can do instant buy, you can transfer from one their account to another their account also. That feature is also there la. So that's it. Tergi koli amchire memenala.
Lasola, that was how you buy there. Well, you might wonder how much you need to invest and all. Well, for me, I was lucky because I was the day two lucky PM winner. Well, as it was my first time winning, I put the money back in the system. So I bought my tier using that winning money only because that money got deposited directly in my DK bank. So that's how I was able to invest back. It doesn't matter how you want to invest or whether it's an investment or not. I'm not sure. And other friends have also asked, what is the benefit of that? I don't know. I'm not here promoting there. I don't know the benefits. I just did it because I won the lucky PM. So I thought, why not? I put it back in the system and I put it back in there. So I hope that video was informational and you all got some questions answered. So with that, keep vibing with MJ and do not worry. I have free time now and I'll be coming back with more videos. Stay tuned. Keep vibing. Cheers.